lasts about 40 to 45 horsepower, and the ability to do burnouts run somewhere in the 9s, in the 70 or above mile an hour. Pretzeled one of the chains in our last testing video, and so your tire at 60 or more miles an hour on the drag strip. So after our high-speed testing is done, last time the end of this video after the drag strip. So Ike is getting our chains figured out, and we're gonna. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty gnarly. It's just
right next to the Master Link.
Okay. And this is what happens if you over and over again. If you want high quality chain, this Go Power Sports Gold hardware store chain. It's pre-stretched, it's thicker, it's just good.
That's a Gold Link chain on the rear, and so we had
crazy.
Yep. So since we're putting new chain on this bike and adjust the tension of the chains, got to loosen up these engines. All right. It's easy. So now putting on the middle, although that's not as.
Chains we're installing are just a little bit looser than what we're taking. Did I do something I'm not supposed to?
No.
Okay. Header isn't going to fit right, our 3-into-1 header, but we can oversize the whole. Let's pass in the yard real quick, make sure we don't have too much work. Good. I think it's good.
It left a solid black mark all the way out.
Well, it goes.
Yeah.
But
so y'all put a gold chain up front
on the rear, so I'm thinking it's going to be pretty good. I think
We'll see you at the track. We're out here at the drag strip, 8th mile. It's a beautiful evening. You don't really want to ride it. It was scary before. I mean, with 3 stops. We're looking for, I'd be happy with a 950 with this. And I think safe.
Thanks, man.
Yep. I think it's set up for the half mile.
I don't know what it was. Up on the block. No, it was engine dead off the line, and I was just running on one engine.
And dead, and then all of a sudden.
So it's not the gear. Ease into it, not stab it.
You think they got a corner of the parking lot? We're in trouble, but I don't want to sit in line for 20 minutes to have open the track, and everyone's like, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? And then like
6 miles per hour.
It's not bad.
The engine RPMs were like up.
We're pretty much at the top end of their power band.
Yes.
We have like basically yard cart clutches. These clutches are designed for like mini setups.
We need 3 of those.
Yeah, we need 3 Junior Dragster CPT setups.
Charles?
Charles, that's my decision. It's fine. How you doing, sir?
Man, I'm telling you what.
The working theory is that when he gagged, when it was at mile an hour or something.
Well, the clutch is engaged and it rolled the engine.
Just by easing on the gas.
Yeah, I'll ease onto the gas.
Yeah, I mean, you have to think these clips are 3,000 or 4,000 RPM.
Could you imagine how?
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, that would have been awesome.
And we'll go faster because that was slower than the stock engine.
It stopped. Ike started before I got there, but I don't know if we got all 3. But something was not right with that.
The takeoff
It's so bad.
69.
You went 60, dude, 69, nice. Oh, all right, dude. Okay, so it was slow, but you ran a 60.
Yeah. 12 flat.
12 dead? It doesn't matter. Hot cannon something.
Yeah.
You make a lot more power at more RPM.
Yeah.
Making any power.
Yeah. I kicked off on this.
Oh, I saw.
It was almost 70 miles per hour.
That's pretty good. But we're out here.
To the sprocket.
If we could somehow get,
Maybe if we can fit some torque converters on it.
dude, yes.
3 of them.
Help it get off the line.
Look, we can feed one torque converter.
You lost me.
So the front one would have the torque converter, and that we'd have the takeoff of the torque converter, but then like
We need more off the line.
off
You
the
got
line,
plenty of top.
we'll do better.
I already ordered a corn dog and some bacon cheese thing for a final comparison.
Okay, pretty good. The